All right, students, we'll begin within 5 minutes, right? We'll let all the participants join first. Till then, any of you wants to discuss anything, right? Anything about, your groups or what topic you might want to prepare? Most welcome. हाँ जी बच्चे. So the basics are clear, right? What I expect of the presentation. Very short, brief. Any topic, any informal, formal, serious topic, right? Any academic topic. You may use the picture editing apps or a proper PPT. So we can, I'll make you the co-host and then you will be able to share the screen. ठीक है. अगर कोई हमें ऐसे टेक्निकल इश्यू हुआ कि वो शेयर नहीं हो रही स्क्रीन, तो यू कैन सेंड इट टू मी एंड आई कैन प्रेजेंट इट हियर. ठीक है. सो आप मतलब यू विल बी द वन हु इज स्पीकिंग, आई विल बी द वन जस्ट मैन्यूवरिंग द स्लाइड फॉर यू. ठीक है बेटा. So I want to make this work. So this is why any reservations you might have, any problems you might face, we can discuss them. ठीक है. कोई भी अगर आपको इश्यू लग रहा है कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है या कुछ भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, we can find a way around it. All right. So I believe most of the students have joined back. We won't waste more time. अपना हम we'll continue from where we left. Okay. So who wants to read this portion? Shalini, am I audible? Yes, Shalini.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Shalini, please read this portion for me.
Be savvy with design details. A good design can make or break a presentation. If you have not got the budget for a designer tool such as Vesme or Canva will help you make great slides or passes or Unflash after offer stunning royalty-free images. Use colors sparingly. Bright colors can dazzle, but too many can be off-putting. Use the color most relevant to your message. We don't recommend sticking with one or two, not counting black and white for your party, so it has a consistent look and feel. Be consistent with your font. Consistent design makes you look more professional. Don't switch between caps or lowercase. Times New Roman and Comic Sans or 8 and 30 point text size. Stick with one font and one size throughout. You can vary the emphasis with your words later, but keep your on-screen text uniform for a cohesive message. Format for perfection. A wonky line on a slide or a badly pixelated graphic will put some people off, as it will look like you have not tried very hard or then you just are not very good. Make sure your text is aligned and neat, like in
So let's take a look at the example. So, all right. So here we have these few examples here that your formatting looks bad if you do this. See, so it is not completely aligned and it looks bad if you do this, right? And never ever use these. So, these are more from our SMS language. If you format your text like this, it looks much better, right? तो इधर भी देखो ये सेंटर में ही अलाइन किया है बट इट इज यूनिफॉर्म whereas this was not uniform, right? So this is how what we look for is uniformity. Right now, see, these are again tips for when you will be making presentations in future, right? When they will be, part of your career. So there, okay, at times, there are some companies, they have hired designers to make custom designs which they would use for their presentations. ठीक है, स्पेशली जैसे अपने ही लोगो वाली उन्होंने यूज करनी है फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन, अपना टेम्पलेट यूज करना है. Otherwise, there are these tools. See, no, I have never used these tools, but I'll definitely try to check them now that I know about it. And royalty-free images, like some images you are not allowed to use. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा गूगल पे भी आता है copyright issues हैं इनके. And in case you use them somewhere and that particular slide is made public, then you are liable to be, acted against. आपके against action लिया जा सकता है. So try to always find royalty free images. Even Google पे images पे ना होता है, there is an option about finding images which do not have copyright issue, right? So that you can explore. I think most likely it is, let's say if we are talking about plastic pollution, I haven't used this tool for long, so I've kind of forgotten, but let's check. So yes, इधर I think more में जाके नहीं, tools, usage rights, ठीक है. एंड देन हेयर यू कैन क्रिएटिव कॉमन्स लाइसेंस, कमर्शियल अदर लाइसेंस के जहाँ पे आपके पास यूजेज राइट हो, वो वाला आप करके देन इफ यू सर्च ना आपको वही वाली इमेजेस आएंगी वेयर यू कैन यूज द इमेजेस, राइट. सो मूविंग बैक टू आवर प्रेजेंटेशन. सो यस, वर्क ऑन द डिजाइन पार्ट अ बिट, के जो सा भी आपका टॉपिक है उसके साथ थोड़ा मैचिंग डिजाइन हो. if you are, let's say topic कुछ आपका latest about, it is about a latest movie or something, so accordingly your design should match. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि डिजाइन बहुत ही मतलब सटल सा है, somber सा है कि कुछ लगे कि बहुत सीरियस बात हो रही है, बट आपका टॉपिक बहुत लाइट है. ठीक है, तो ग्राफिक्स शुड ऑलवेज मैच. यस, एंड अगेन ब्राइट कलर्स, यस, मोस्ट वेलकम टू यूज देम, बट एक अच्छा बैलेंस होना चाहिए कि ये नहीं कि सारा ही ब्राइट है या सारा ही डल है. देयर शुड बी गुड मिक्स ऑफ बोथ, राइट. एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि जो भी आप डिजाइन यूज करें उससे कहीं आपका मैसेज ओवर पावर ना हो जाए कि मैसेज की तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं गया एंड एवरीबडी वाज जस्ट बिजी फोकसिंग ऑन द डिजाइन, right? Similarly, like they recommend sticking with one or two, right? Now, not counting black and white, that one or two colors are good for your palette for so that it has a consistent look and feel. Then yes, even with the font and the alignment of the font, right? The font size and the font type. Now, yes, you may use a font which again matches the content, matches the topic, matches how serious or how light the topic is, right? Similarly, font size should not be too big. It should be just enough to be legible. कि सबको नजर आ रहा है, सबको समझ आ रहा है, दैट इज हाउ बिग इट शुड बी, राइट. अगर क्योंकि कई बार होता है एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ यू आर सपोज टू प्रेजेंट इट, अब इधर आपने स्क्रीन पे प्रेजेंट करना है, सो एडजस्ट द फॉन्ट साइज अकॉर्डिंगली. लेट्स से वंस यू नो दैट आपने प्रोजेक्टर में प्रेजेंट करना, आप उसको अकॉर्डिंगली प्रेजेंट करोगे, ठीक है. देन स्टिक विद वन फॉन्ट साइज थ्रू आउट. सी, इट इज ऑलवेज अ गुड आइडिया कि आपके फॉन्ट सारा सेम ही हो सकता है कि फॉर द हेडिंग्स यू माइट यूज अ डिफरेंट, that again if it is matching with the rest, the other style type you are using. Similarly for the the size, headings in the same size always and the content in the same size, right. So this gives a very uniform look, like this gives a very organic look कि ठीक है, हाँ, this slide is well made. देन वी हैव फॉर्मेट फॉर परफेक्शन, अगेन उसकी अलाइनमेंट चेक करो, टेक्स्ट का चेक करो कि ये नहीं कि किसी स्लाइड में टेक्स्ट इज ऑलमोस्ट टचिंग द बाउंड्री, किसी स्लाइड में इट इज जस्ट इन द मिडल. सो दैट दीज आर अगेन वेरी कॉमन पॉइंट्स विच यू ऑलरेडी नो. सो नाउ हु विल रीड दिस पोर्शन फॉर मी? यस, सुमन, एम आई ऑडिबल? सुमन?
Yes, ma'am.
यस,
Yes,
प्लीज.
ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा, ये वाला रीड कर दो पोर्शन.
Okay, ma'am. Polish several times, just like Samuel warm shoes. A good presentation often needs a few rounds of dusting before it's all shiny and sparkly. Start messy. Don't be afraid to start messy. Using a non-linear writing tool like Millennium allows you to explore and outline your initial ideas in a flexible way before you even Open a PowerPoint or Keynote. Arrange your ideas side by side and discover new connections that you did not see before. Edit ruthlessly. At first, you might have a huge amount of information and will wonder how you are ever going get it down to 6 words per slide. That's okay. Keep editing ruthlessly until you are pared your message down to the bare initials someone else to look at it. A fresh pair of eyes can work miracles when it comes to refining your presentation. Get a trusted mentor or uh, Collagio to review your work. If you don't know anyone who can help, an online writing assistant like ProWriting Ad or Grammarly can help you weed out a lot of problems.
All right, so this is what they say that okay, at first you might have a lot of data. ठीक है, तो उसको आपको थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा कि उसको पहले तो कट डाउन करोगे कि क्या क्या आपने वहां पे मेंशन करना है, right? Then next you are going to edit it. See, now they are going with 6 words per slide. That is not really true, but that is not always applicable. So you just have to stick to as much text you feel is relevant there in your topic. All right. Then get someone else to look at it. It is always helpful for other person to look at it too. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, you might have noticed when we are working on something continuously, at times we start overlooking some mistakes. हमें वो mistakes नजर नहीं आती. We are so much into it. So it is always a good idea कि आप एक third person अपने मम्मा का, अपने siblings का, उनका view भी ले लो कि okay, how does this look? एक तो वो आपको थोड़ा डिजाइन का कुछ बता देंगे because they are looking at it as viewers. You look at it as its creator. ठीक है, तो आपका देखने का नजरिया डिफरेंट होगा, उनका पर्सपेक्टिव अलग होगा. So they will definitely give you some valuable inputs that this is too big, this is too small, you might not include this, or make sure you include this point, right? Other than that, yes, for your grammar, yes, take help of the Merriam-Webster or any thesaurus or something for good, picking good words and vocabulary. Other than that, also like in Grammarly, you it helps you define your sentences. कई बार हम sentences बनाते हैं, they are unusually long. हम उसको short भी कर सकते हैं and convey the same meaning. And that is what people would prefer reading, especially when you are making a PowerPoint presentation, right? So you can take help of that as well. Okay, so this is, a fun fact that Steve Jobs used to take 2 days to prepare a 20-minute presentation. So that is how he had, this eye for detail. You make mistakes, admit them quickly, and get on with improving. So now let's talk about the delivery. That is how to give a good presentation, right? So who wants to read this? Atul Sharma, am I audible to you? Yes, Atul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Atul, please start reading this part, how to give a good presentation.
How you deliver your slide is as important as their content and design. Here are some quick pointers to help you get your message across with impact. Have a strong opening. How you start with and finish your presentation will make all the difference. Audience usually make up their minds about someone in the first 7 seconds. So make those first moments count. Be different. You are doing a presentation about saving 3 frogs in Costa Rica. You open with an amazing story about one that escaped on a bunch of bananas to the UK. A story like this is different and unexpected for your audience. So they'll sit up and take notice. Ask a question. Rhetorical questions are a great way to frame a topic and introduce ideas. Martin Luther King Jr. said there are those who are asking the devotees of civil rights, when will you be satisfied? Tailor it to your audience. How much do you know about your audience? The more you know, the better, especially if you know their likes and dislikes. Inserting a relevant metaphor or popular culture refer Oprah Winfrey's Stanford commencement address spoke to the graduates about her lessons learned and how they are entering the classroom of life.
All right, so I'll thank you for reading, Atul. So we'll just pick up a few points from here. right? So this this author says that you must have a very strong opening, right? A strong opening and interesting opening that will ensure that the audience stays with you for the rest of your PowerPoint slide. अगर वो फर्स्ट मिनट में ही बोर हो जाएंगे तो इवन इफ यू नो द कंटेंट इज गेटिंग बेटर इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, it will be hard for you to get back their interest. It will be hard for you to get back their attention. Right? So make sure कि आपकी first slide बहुत अच्छी हो, interesting हो, it grabs attention. Right? So like this is what some people believe that usually in the first 7 seconds they make up their mind. Now 7 seconds वहाँ presentation के time पे काफी time होता है in a way and काफी कम time भी है. Right? So 7 times is quite less. You have a very brief window to make sure the audience is interested, right? Then this is how they're saying that, you can be different. Start with a very different, go with a different, first slide. कोई story से start कर दो if it is about something. Like now this fact will be good if you want to start with the plastic pollution that, the first ever toothbrush you use, it is still lying there in the ocean as with the others, right? As with the others you have used so far. Now this fact itself, it is so strong that yes, it makes you take notice of this idea of plastic pollution immediately. इससे आपको थोड़ा सा उसका थ्रेट भी कन्वे होता है कि यार ये कितनी सीरियस प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? देन रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन. नाउ रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चंस आर द वंस कि जिसका आंसर एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं होता. जैसे आपको मतलब कई बार डांट पड़ती है ना, या कई बार मजाक में कोई आपके पेरेंट्स बोल देते हैं कि तुमने कब सुधरना है. ठीक है, ये जब वो बात बोल रहे हैं, आपको डांट रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट, आपका इधर आंसर नहीं देना होता. आपने दैट इज सपोज टू जस्ट एम्बेरस यू और मेक यू फील गिल्टी और मेक यू रियलाइज योर मिस्टेक. अब इसका वो आंसर नहीं आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करेगा कि नेक्स्ट हफ्ते आई विल बी बेटर, राइट? सो यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. व्हाट इज द रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन? इट इज सिंपली द क्वेश्चन जिसका आंसर इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड. दिस इज जस्ट टू कन्वे सम मैसेज. It is just to emphasize a message. Right, so here Martin Luther King Jr., his example is being given. He was a civil rights activist in the US, right? So he says that there are those who are asking the devotees of civil rights, when will you be satisfied? मतलब कि जो civil rights के सारे activists हैं, they keep getting asked this question कि when will you be satisfied? Now they are not expected to answer it. It is just like कि तुम इतना देर से काम कर रहे हो कि तुम्हें कब शांति मिलेगी. It is something on those lines, right? Similarly, yes, you can have rhetorical questions included in your slide as well. Right? Then tailor it to your audience. Like I told you, you must know your audience well. अब जैसे इंडिया में है, ठीक है, अब इंडिया के हमारे कुछ जैसे पॉप कल्चर रेफरेंसेस होंगे, कुछ हमारे रेलेवेंट मेटाफर्स हैं. अब somebody from outside won't get these. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी टेल यू, हमारे जैसे इंस्टा पे कोई ना कोई मीम बहुत वायरल हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे नाउ देयर वर दीज मीम्स अबाउट in India we don't do this, ऐसा कुछ funny things थी, ठीक है, in India we don't do this. Now that was a way of, in a hilarious way, attacking India's some customs which need to get away, we need to do away with. कुछ उसके हम criticism भी कर रहे थे. In what way? In humorous way, through these memes, right? अब इंडिया के कोई शो का आएगा, कुछ भी मीम बनता है, जैसे I don't know, Tarak Mehta is this show, right? It's a very old show. I haven't seen it, but I have just read memes about it. राइट? अब वो वाले मीम्स मुझे तो नहीं इतने समझ आते बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर सीन द शो, बट दोज ऑफ यू हु हैव सीन द शो, आपको उसका समझ आ जाएगा. एंड थिंक अबाउट सम पर्सन जिसको पता ही नहीं है कि ये कोई शो एग्जिस्ट करता है, ठीक है, उसको तो वो बात बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आएगी. इसलिए अगर आपने कोई एग्जाम्पल्स यूज करने हैं, कोई पॉप कल्चर आपने रेफरेंस देनी है, जैसे अब हमारे सबको पता है कि दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे मूवी क्या है, ठीक है, उसका क्या कंटेंट था, क्या है. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हैव सीन दैट मूवी. हैव वी? Yes or no? हाँ जी बच्चे. Yes, do reply yes or no. I am मतलब I am
Yes,
not
ma'am.
from हाँ, इतनी पुरानी जनरेशन से. It was also
No,
I
ma'am.
was a, अच्छा नहीं देखी अभी तक. I was also a kid when that movie came out. However, I have seen it and वो टीवी पे इतनी बार आई हुई है कि चाहे मैंने शुरू से एंडिंग तक नहीं देखी होगी, but I know the snippets, right? And yes, let me tell you, if you watch it today, you are going to definitely have a lot of problems with the story and how they are acting and everything. जैसे इसका काफी criticism भी होता है कि इसमें the guy is stalking the girl literally and they have glorified it. That is Bollywood for you, right? Bollywood in the 90s, ठीक है, even before that 80s में कि वो उसको तंग कर रहा है, which is a crime today. However, उसमें उन्होंने उसको गाना बना के उसका glorify करके बताया हुआ है, right? तो ये देखो कैसे कॉन्टेक्स्ट चेंज होता है. बट हाउ एवर इफ वी मेंशन समथिंग अबाउट इट इन इंडिया, मोस्ट पीपल विल रिलेट टू इट. वाई? क्योंकि ये हमारे कल्चर का पार्ट है, राइट? इधर के कल्चर का पार्ट है. इट्स अ पॉप कल्चर रेफरेंस, सो पीपल वुड अंडरस्टैंड अगर आप इसके लेट्स से कुछ इसके साथ रिलेट करके बात कर रहे हो, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू मस्ट नो योर ऑडियंस. एंड आपके जो होने चाहिए, आपके जो ऐसे कुछ अगर एनेक्डोट्स हैं, कुछ आपके फनी पॉइंट्स हैं, कोई आप मीम का यूज कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर कि अब सबको समझ आ जाए. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स से इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम, मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज इंस्टाग्राम, राइट? चाहे आप यूज कर रहे हो या नहीं, आपकी प्रोफाइल है या नहीं, आपको इंस्टाग्राम पता होगा. Let's talk about our parents. Now, most of our parents do not know what is Instagram. They do know what is Facebook. क्योंकि अब Facebook पे वो वाली generation आ चुकी है, right? They have made their profiles on Facebook. They are staying in touch with their friends, their family on Facebook. However, they are still new to the Instagram thing, and Instagram पे अभी सबकी मतलब from our parents generation सबकी profile नहीं है, right? So you agree with me on that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is what I want to say. So let's say if you have an audience जिसमें सारे हैं, तो आप Insta से ज़्यादा you would prefer giving an example of Facebook because they would understand. If the audience is let's say our class, so हमारी क्लास में if you are using these Instagram या कोई आप meme का कुछ discuss कर रहे, तो हमें तो वो पता होगा, right? So yes, always tailor it to your audience that yes, whatever content you are presenting, they are able to understand it, right? So moving further. So they have given this Oprah Winfrey's Stanford commencement address speech here. Okay, so who would read this part? Pradeep, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, please do read this part.
Okay. And 6 point?
हाँ जी.
Okay, ma'am. Oscar Wilde said, "Be yourself. Everyone else is ready taken." A lack of authenticity will be spotted a mile away. Whatever you are saying speaks from the heart and don't try to impress. There's no need to prove yourself, just to get the point across as you see it. After all, that's why you are there, and you can't do more than that. Use humor. Humor can be great for giving a presentation, but cut it out if it feels like a stretch. Telling a humorous story can break down any barriers, make you more likable, and make your message more memorable. And people are surprisingly generous with laughter. But the faintest whiff of desperation will kill a funny vibe. Don't be afraid to mess up. The fear of making a mistake can make you inordinately nervous. Relax, even the best speakers mess up or have bad luck. There, Theresa May, ex-Prime Minister of England, once stumbled and coughed her way through a presentation with someone even handing her a resignation letter. She battled through like a pro, though, and simply acknowledged it and moved on. No big deal. Open up and be vulnerable. Brian Brown, a researcher whose presentation have amassed over 10 million views, says that sometimes the bravest and most important things you can do is just show up. This means speaking your truth and daring to feel a little uncomfortable as you share a meaningful story. It will collect your audience to you like never before.
All right, thank you. So the more you understand what somebody wants, needs, and fears, the more you can add value, right? So here, it is again that you can use humor. ठीक है, बी जेन्युइन. जैसे ऐसा नहीं है कि इम्प्रेस करने के लिए आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, कुछ भी इंक्लूड कर रहे हो. नो, ट्राई टू कीप इट वेरी सिंपल, ट्राई टू कीप इट ऑथेंटिक, ट्रूथफुल. राइट अगर आपका अपने अब आपका ऑडियंस पे ये नहीं है कि आपने कन्विंस करके ही छोड़ना है उनको कि यस प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन इज बैड नो यू आर trying to convince no doubt but you are also simply presenting a point now even if at the end of it some people are like के नहीं ये तो कोई बात ही नहीं है this is just a man made thing it's not really true right या इसका कोई इतना threat नहीं है what about that what about this so that is not your concern right you just wanted to put your point across you tried your best to convince them now whether they are convinced at the end or they still want to stick to what notion they came with to the hall that is not your problem right then again yes use humor कि आप ठीक है कोई humorous story बता रहे हो one or joke here and there related to the context that is good but इतना नहीं है कि आप एक comedy show ही करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो या stand up comedy कर रहे हो right उससे पता चल जाएगा कि you are trying too hard to it for it and उससे people also get to know कि नहीं he is now stretching it a bit कई बार होता है ना कि आपको कई बार लगता है कि नहीं ये तो joke ज्यादा ही stretch कर दिया and you don't like it तो वो नहीं करना इधर ठीक है देन यस इट्स ओके अगर आप कई बार होता है वी आर नर्वस वी हैव स्टेज फ्राइट जाते हैं हम थोड़ा हेजिटेट करते हैं बोलने में कुछ गलत बोल देते हैं गलत प्रोनाउंस कर देते हैं वी माइट फॉरगेट व्हाट वी वांटेड टू से देयर राइट तो उसमें क्या है डोंट वरी अबाउट इट जस्ट कीप मूव ऑन के अच्छा हो गया दैट मोमेंट इज गॉन फोकस ऑन व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट अगर आप यही सोचोगे कि ओ माय गॉड जब मैं स्टेज पे व्हेन आई जस्ट केम आई जस्ट ऑलमोस्ट फेल देन आपका सारे प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान उसी पे ध्यान रहेगा एंड आप अपना बाकी का भी टाइम स्पॉइल करोगे राइट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर सी इट इज नेवर सच अ बिग डील एज यू मेक इट इन योर माइंड राइट सो कीप इट इट्स ओके चिल करो कि ठीक है आई जस्ट फेल दैट्स ऑल राइट पीपल कैन फॉल इसमें कोई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है ठीक है पीपल आर नर्वस दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी नेचुरल एंड इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड right so then we have Breen Brown a researcher whose presentations have amassed over 10 million views and he says that sometimes it is a very good achievement that you at least showed up that you are at least doing this thing right वही सबसे important चीज है कि आप अपने comfort zone से निकल के आप ये कर रहे हो now some of you might be very conscious of sharing your views in the class so don't worry about it take your time to feel confident to share ठीक है जब आपको लगता है कि हाँ this is what I can say this is what I can add to the group discussion right most of us we do hesitate to speak चाहे ये ऑनलाइन मीडियम है क्लासरूम में शायद डिफरेंट होता या कईयों को ऑनलाइन बेटर लगता है क्लासरूम में दे हेजिटेट बट इट्स ओके एनी स्टेप यू आर टेकिंग विच इज बेटर देन नेक्स्ट योर लास्ट डे it is good right so it is a very good thing that you try to gradually move out of your comfort zone right now moving further we are I think almost at the end so have a plan for a smooth delivery right अब इसमें वही है कि have a practice run. So let's just take a quick look at this one as well. We have about 10 minutes to go. So who would like to read this portion? All right, Daljit, am I audible to you? Yes, Daljit. What about Sarthak? Yes, Sarthak, am I audible? Surbhi? Yes, Surbhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read this part for me.
Have a plan for smooth delivery. With all the preparation you will be doing on the content and design of your presentation, it can be easy to overlook other variables that are within your control for a stress-free delivery. Have a practice run though. There are nothing like reading it out loud to ensure your message makes sense before you actually deliver it. Try recording your presentation on video. This way you will be able to review with an accurate eye and notice whether your speech matches with your slides. It also helps you start out your runtime. Use a remote. A clicker or remote will help you face the audience and not have to keep turning back to your laptop. Though, after public speaker Gare Reynolds says a remote is essential in order to pause and advance your presentation so you have time to be spontaneous and control the flow of your delivery. Have backup material. Not everything you say is going to is going to resonate with your audience, it's best to be flexible enough to change the game as and when needed. Stephen Jobs had stand by and
An anecdote.
anecdotes
Anecdotes, yes.
anecdotes prepared to fill time when the technology he was using to give the presentation failed. Preparing for every eventuality will help smooth your nerves and allow you to feel more in control. Use a timer when you get into the flow of your message. It's easy to go off on a tangent or even spend too long and on audience question. Put your phone on airplane mode and set the stopwatch just as you begin speaking. A quick glance down at the table during a pause will allow to make you sure you are not going over time.
Right. So these are another very important tips, that it is always a good idea to practice what you say. राइट सो ऑलवेज जैसे अगर आपने कोई स्पीच देनी है, यू प्रिपेयर फॉर डिबेट्स, डेक्लेमेशन, तो उसमें तो हम काफी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते थे, इफ यू रिमेम्बर इन स्कूल. हाउएवर हियर नाउ वंस यू हैव ग्रोन अप, इवन देन प्रैक्टिस इज नॉट अ बैड आइडिया. डोंट एवर फील के सी आई एम अ ग्रोन अप नाउ, वुड आई इवन प्रैक्टिस, डू आई नीड टू प्रैक्टिस? नो, प्रैक्टिस इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू मेक यू बेटर, देन व्हाई नॉट. राइट. सो इसमें क्या है कि आप अगर आप अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड कर लो ना प्रेजेंटेशन देते हुए, nothing like that. You can see yourself, you can check your body language. Okay, here I look nervous, here I look scared. Okay, here this is how it should be. Here I am maybe slouching a bit, I'm not standing straight. आप ये सब notice कर सकते हैं, and you can also notice how your presentation looks like and the content you are speaking, whether it is matching with your slides or not. ठीक है. And yes, it will also help you sort out your run time. अब कई बार क्या होता है, you might think I have enough content to get through 30 minutes, बट हो सकता है आपका कंटेंट 20 में ही फिनिश हो जाए, एंड द नेक्स्ट पर्सन हु इज सपोज टू फॉलो आफ्टर यू, इट दैट पर्सन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर 10 मिनट्स. तो आपके पास ये 10 मिनट्स का एक बीच में ब्रेक पड़ जाता है, राइट. देन यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद दैट टाइम. सो यस, आप अपना टाइम बीच बीच में देखते रहो. इधर इफ यू हैव समवेयर यू कैन जस्ट स्नीकीली ग्लैंस, ऐसे भी नहीं कि पूरी ऑडियंस को पता चल जाए कि आप 12 घड़ी देख रहे हो. जस्ट ट्राई टू गेट अ ग्लिम्स. वैसे तो कई बार स्क्रीन पे ही हमारे जैसे लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे पता चल जाता है कि कितना टाइम रह गया, राइट. सो ट्राई टू डू समथिंग कि आपको टाइम भी पता चलता रहे, ज्यादा आपका एक्सटेंड ना हो. कई बार होता है कि कहीं पे वहां पे ना ऑन द स्पॉट आपको कोई बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल याद आ जाए, आप वो देना स्टार्ट कर दो. उससे ज्यादा कि टाइम आपका थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाए, ज्यादा टाइम आप ले लो, राइट. सो इट इज गुड कि आप टाइम का थोड़ा सा ट्रैक साथ के साथ रखते रहो. Then yes, see here now Steve Jobs, another a very successful person, and why, what made him so successful? He always had his attention to details. Now he had these standby anecdotes. Now what are anecdotes? Anecdotes are, funny stories about our personal life, funny incidents. It could be some interesting incident. जैसे होता है ना कि हमारे चीफ गेस्ट आते हैं कहीं पे भी फंक्शन पे, so they always share something related to their college life or their school life. So that means they are sharing anecdotes. ठीक है, उनको हम anecdotes कहेंगे. And we are, I believe, always interested to listen to these. If you tell me something about, let's say, when you were in school, if I tell you something about my school time, my college time, right, you would be interested to know, given that the story is also interesting, right? So always you could have these anecdotes which are relevant, which could be shared, which could be about something. Let's say अगर आप कोई न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हो, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू कि जब ये चीज नहीं होती थी तब कैसे होता था, या कैसे तब क्या हुआ था, राइट. सो दैट इज ऑलवेज गुड बिकॉज ही हैड इट prepared even when he to just keep in check कि बाय चांस द टेक्नोलॉजी फेल्स. नाउ अगर एप्पल इवेंट है उसमें कुछ हो जाए, नो वंडर दे वुड हैव अमेजिंग अरेंजमेंट्स. ठीक है, वो है एक टेक्निकल इवेंट है, उसमें ही टेक्नोलॉजी फेल हो जाए, कितना आयरॉनिकल है, राइट. येट दे ऑलवेज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस पॉसिबिलिटी एज वेल. क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है ना कि आपको ऐसे नहीं डर होता कि ओ माय गॉड अगर ये हो जाएगा ये हो जाएगा. आप हर एक चीज सोच रहे हो व्हाट कैन गो रॉन्ग and prepare for it. It is as simple as that. You will definitely be more confident there on stage because even if something goes wrong, I can manage it, right? So coming to the end, a handheld remote is an absolute must. So now this is Gare Reynolds. So he is also one of these experts, right? Sought after public speaker. So they know that just a remote, yes, that is definitely better rather than standing on the podium where your laptop is placed, right? उससे better है कि आपके पास remote होगा. You can move around and talk and simply switch the next slide with the remote. right? So to conclude, focus on audience value, right? You're coming to the end of your presentation. How do you wrap it up in a way that will be everlasting in their memories? So the experts recommend that you focus on the feeling you want the audience to take home. अगर आपको plastic pollution का strongly message convey करना है, so you are going to focus on that, right? They might forget what you said, but they will never forget the way they made you feel, said the poet Maya Angelou. Now, I'm not sure if you have heard of this poet, very famous American woman, right? A poetess, and she's written some powerful poetry. ठीक है, इसके काफी हम मतलब you might have noticed people write her poem or just few lines from her poem as their bio on Instagram, or they have these quotes वाले वो जो pictures होती है, right? So if you ever get the time, do read her poetry. It's very short, simple, easy to understand, and powerful. Right? So by leaving them with an emotional impression from a piece of video with moving music to a line from a song or poem, you will strike that resonant chord and end on a high. अब आपने अगर कई बार ऑस्कर्स की स्पीच देखी है, right? The winners who give a speech, very short, hardly 2 to 3 minutes. They thank whoever they want to, and they always end with some anecdote. Like if I remember the person, the lady who won the Best Director award this time, right? So I cannot recall her name at the moment, but she ended with a poem which her father used to tell, an incident with that how my father and me when I was a kid of what we used to do, and he taught me this poem. So that was a very good way of ending or concluding her Oscar speech, right? So if you get the time, do check that video out. Otherwise, this is the key मतलब the key takeaways कि थोड़ा सा end में आप थोड़ा सा emotional वाला वो leave करोगे तो it always leaves an impact and leaves your audience thinking, right? So use a pause for key takeaways. Want the audience to remember something specific? Say it slowly and leave a pause at the end. The silence will emphasize what you said and make it meaningful. Now, जो हम ये बोलते हुए pause लेते हैं, how powerful that one medium is. क्योंकि आप जैसे बोल रहे हो, एक तो अगर आप slowly बोल रहे हो, people start taking notice कि इधर speed कम हो गई, and each and every word will be clearly heard, right? And then if you pause, you are giving them time to think over what you just said. So yes, wherever you have something specific to say, something important to say, it's a good idea that usko aap slowly bolo. Look around the audience for their, for their reaction, for their expression. Pause for a while and then begin. अब वो इतना लंबा pause भी नहीं लेना कि awkward pause हो जाए, people start wondering कि क्या हो गया, नहीं. It has to be a brief pause, but long enough to make them think and make them ponder over the words you just said. Then make your core message sing, or a call to action is the best way to wrap up your presentation with strength and impact. What do you want for your audience? Want your audience to do next, right? So the Tony Robbins tells a great story at the end of his presentation, moving his audience emotionally towards change. So you could even end with the story, right? So information without emotion is not retained. That is actually a very good idea, that information without any emotional involvement in it is simple information for you and you are going to forget. जो हमारी advertisements होती हैं वो इतनी क्यों होती है, इतनी impact वाली क्यों होती है, क्यों? उसमें emotion involved होती है, ठीक है? मैगी की है या बॉर्नविटा की है, they show this mother son duo who are preparing, who are running. So इसमें emotional एक component है, right? So that is what makes it special. So, बच्चे, that was all I wanted to share about how to make an effective presentation, right? So I will share this link with you as well. It's a good link, right? For even for your future reference, आप इसको bookmark करके रख लो. Let's say 3-4 years from now, when you're supposed to make those formal presentations for your office, for your company, wherever you are working, these tips will come in handy. All right. So any doubts you have, anything you might want to ask, you're most welcome. Yes, Sajay. Anything? So are we good to leave? So remember, next lab class, have your presentations ready. You don't need to inform me in prior about क्या groups हैं, क्या topic है. Let's leave it to that day. Right, so we have around 80 minutes